Horehound sounds like a name that your mom told you not to use, but did you know that it's good for coughs and congestion? Not only that, it's known for all kinds of lung things like tuberculosis, bronchitis, any type of whooping cough. This is totally good for that, but it also helps with your digestion. So if you have gas and bloating in your digestion, this is known to help. A lot of people will use it in a cough drop. You can use it in other ways like tinctures and things like that, or as a dry tea. Have you used Horehound? And don't let your mom hear you say that.